you feel the initiative of CBSE?
मैं CBSE से पढ़ा हूँ. There were no cricket that time.
Any message you want to our young cricketers?
Just keep playing cricket, but studies as well.
When did you feel that I want to be a cricketer?
It goes a long way back.
Who was the most important person, or you can say a motivation for the cricket?
It was my sister who took me to the academy for the first time.
Tea person or a coffee person? Your favorite food?
Kadhi chawal.
Hello sir. First of all, welcome and thank you so much for your presence. And I have few questions for you. As you can see, students love you. They love you a lot. Everybody loves you here. So, how do you feel the initiative of CBSE, the first ever national cricket tournament for boys 2025? What do you feel about it?
It's a great initiative, especially at the school level. Because मुझे याद है जब मैं खुद पढ़ता था, मैं भी CBSE से पढ़ा हूँ. So it used to be just football.
Okay.
There were no cricket that time.
Yes.
तो खुद को लगता था कि I wasn't talented in football. So I wanted to play cricket somehow. So I joined cricket academy. But for the students who cannot go to the academy, who are just studying, who are good at studies but still want to play, I think it's a great initiative for them. I know it's the first year, but I think it's a long way to go.
Yes. So any message you want to give to our young cricketers?
Look, just keep playing. I mean, I don't want to give any motivational message or some kind of lesson, but what's important is to keep doing whatever you do. I know we are talking about cricket, so just keep playing cricket, but it's about studies as well. If you love something, if you love study, just keep studying. I mean, just enjoy what you do.
You mean to say that try to balance both the things?
Yeah, I think life is about balancing everything.
So sir, when did you feel that I want to be a cricketer in your life?
It goes a long way back. When I was 12, 13.
Okay.
I didn't know I want to play professional or wanted to represent country, but I loved playing this sport. तो जब भी मैं खेलता था मज़ा आता था. So that was the reason I asked my parents to send me to academy where I can play a little bit better, and that's how it started.
Okay, so who was the most important person, or you can say a motivation for the cricket? Who motivated you or inspired you for the cricket?
It started with my family only. Of course, my parents. Then it was my